Did you know that your old home can have that new home feel with just 5 easy steps? It's true. So I'm going to go over those with you right now. The first one's pretty obvious. I would say paint the inside of your apartment. That covers up the walls, covers up any nicks, any stains. You can patch any small holes, and of course you're going to get a new feel in your home. You can change the color, you can change the sheen on the walls, and that helps out a lot. The second thing you can do would be to change the lighting in your home. You can, when you change the lighting, you can change the brightness and the hue of the light bulbs and get the ones that you like. I personally prefer a brighter, whiter hue light bulb, and that's mostly due to my eyes aren't what they used to be, so I need a brighter light so that I can, if I'm trying to read something or see a smaller part or something, it's easier for me to do that. You could also get smart bulbs. That way you can change the color and the hue and the brightness at will, just whenever you want. You just tell Alexa, she'll change the color, or get on your phone app or whatever, change the color of the light bulbs that way. That will change the feeling of the room just by changing the color. I see a lot of people have, not a lot, I've seen people that have different color or different brightness bulbs in the same light fixture or in different rooms, and it just looks a lot better if it's uniform throughout. And while you're on that project, clean the covers, clean the light globes, the diffusers, whatever you want to call them. Clean them out. Bugs get in there, and it doesn't look good. Just when you take them down to change the bulbs, just wash them. Just wash them in the sink, clean them out, get rid of the bugs. The third thing you can do is you can shampoo your carpets. I would recommend hiring a professional for this. They have equipment that is way better than anything you can rent or buy as a normal consumer. Anything you can afford, easily. So I would prefer to hire them. But if you do decide to go and shampoo them yourself, make sure to get a better quality shampoo than what you buy just at a grocery store or something. When you rent the little machine, go to a hardware store and get some actual nice shampoo that's going to get the job done and remove any stains in the carpet. And with the first one and the third one, painting the walls and cleaning the carpets, that can also get rid of a lot of smells in your apartment also. If you have dogs, or if you smoke, or maybe the person who lived there before you had dogs or smoked, that'll get rid of all those smells just by doing those 2 steps. The fourth thing that I wanted to talk about is changing the hardware. You can get all new door hardware, get them to match throughout your house. That when you approach the house, the first thing you touch is the doorknob to walk in, and if it's an old crusty brass doorknob that's been beat all to hell, it's quite an upgrade if you change over to a nice shiny brand new knob. It's gonna give you that nice feeling just as soon as you get to the door, and then when you get inside of the apartment, it's gonna feel good to have new hardware. And lastly, I would recommend getting a way to fragrance your apartment, whether it be the plug-in air fresheners. You can get those fancy things that have the sticks in the glass and the smell wicks off the sticks. I don't know, somebody way smarter than me came up with that mess, but it works. Whatever it is, anything to make your house smell better. And if you do all 5 of these, just think of the difference it can make in your house. You walk in, you grab a nice clean doorknob, you step in, the nice smell hits you in the face. You see bright clean walls with bright lights. It's going to really up the look of the interior of your home. So anyways, put in the comments any of these that you've done, the results you've got, and let me know if I missed anything. So with that, I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.